Take it. Move the camera.
Oh man.
Oh,
Take it toward that.
you cannot conceive the heights.
Bring him back to the living room.
Don't break my
It's
camera.
like there's really, it's a really tall guy.
I feel really uncomfortable with that my camera being up there.
You should be taking a picture of this.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait.
That too,
Wait.
but that's cool. No, I understand. This is your like different
Yeah, you get the
perspective.
flip thing.
Thanks. The bachelor's pad is always interesting. You're like,
Yeah, see now that's what
Oh.
the little thing is for. It's not for taking pictures of your dick. It's taking pictures of the guys whose heads are between your crotch.
because they're carrying you on their fucking legs.
Yes.
Thanks for baptizing me.
perspective.
Okay.
Just get it.
And I'm still holding the guy here.
Is it actually recording?
Yeah, it says it's on.
Bah! We will shed light onto this. What's going on? What? You have legs coming down over your head.
Much on
Where
my
are
lower
they? Oh my God! There's a whole person up there.
I'm